Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily manage the good night mode in the LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker. Here we have the LG XBOOM application, and in this application you have to scroll down till we see the sleep timer. We have to set the value of that. And here, as you can see, we have the good night mode unlocked. Lights will be activated with a color to improve sleep quality and dim gradually when sleep timer ends. It will automatically turn on when sleep timer has been set. We can disable that and enable it back again. And wait a moment, because I entered something by mistake. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.